how the world's most expensive spice begins with delicate flower harvesting. The harvested flowers must reach processing quickly to preserve quality, as any delay could ruin the crop. The saffron flowers are rushed to processing plants immediately after harvest.
The arrival of the saffron flowers marks the beginning of a meticulous process.
Accurate weighing ensures traceable production batches. Only the most vibrant and perfectly formed blossoms are selected, ensuring the highest quality saffron reaches the market.
Here, the automated separation line gently opens the saffron flowers, exposing the delicate red stigmas inside.
Saffron threads are the most valuable part of the flower.
The delicate saffron threads travel along these specialized conveyors towards the crucial drying stage, where more
careful drying is crucial. It is the process that preserves both the saffron's distinct aroma and its deep crimson color.
Following the drying process, the saffron moves to the cooling conveyor to stabilize moisture levels. A critical step for quality.
Here, the saffron is classified into premium quality levels. The automated system analyzes
The saffron threads are meticulously measured by ultra-sensitive digital microscales, ensuring exact quantities are prepared for premium packaging.
The English narrator explains that only the deepest red strands become premium saffron.
Human expertise ensures the finest saffron quality.
Saffron is packed in small quantities due to its extraordinary value.
Vacuum sealing is critical to preserving the saffron's delicate aroma and freshness. The machines create an airtight...
Every detail, from the velvet lining to the golden accents, reinforces the luxury quality of our saffron.
These automated lines ensure every luxury gift box is perfectly wrapped, preparing the saffron for global...
The robotic arms complete the final stage of packaging, arranging the gift boxes into shipping cartons before they are moved to the warehouse for storage. As the robots work tirelessly, the saffron shipments are prepared for storage and global distribution. In this climate-controlled environment, the precise temperature and humidity levels are meticulously monitored.
Each shipment is digitally tracked for global distribution.
Documentation ensures saffron can travel safely across international borders. Once processed, the saffron moves rapidly to the loading bay. This is the critical juncture where the product begins its global journey. Deep within the processing plant, the delicate saffron begins its journey, carefully stacked before being shipped across the globe.
Sealed containers protect the saffron during long-distance transport.
Saffron shipments are now heading to international shipping ports. Saffron shipments now enter the global cargo network.
Saffron shipments now begin their overseas voyage.
This massive vessel carries the precious cargo across continents, ensuring Iranian saffron reaches markets around the world.
Saffron shipments now enter regional distribution networks.
From this central location, the saffron shipments are meticulously sorted and redistributed, ensuring the
Once packaged, the saffron moves through this automated corridor, where diverter arms guide it to specific regional shipping lanes across the globe. Every jar undergoes a final, meticulous quality check, ensuring only the finest saffron reaches our customers globally. Premium saffron shipments are carefully protected during transport. The automated pallet wrapping process is crucial for protecting our saffron shipments during transit, ensuring they arrive securely at their destination. Once secured, these pallets represent the next stage of global saffron distribution, reaching markets worldwide.
High-value saffron is often transported by air to international markets.
The speed of air freight is crucial for perishable goods like saffron. Within hours, these containers will be crossing.
From the fields of Iran, this precious cargo of saffron begins its long journey across continents.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that every gram of Iranian saffron is tracked and distributed with precision.
Distributors like this one meticulously prepare the saffron for the gourmet retail market, carefully sorting and packaging the crimson threads into these luxury jars. From the processing plants, the journey of saffron is meticulous. It travels through a specialized distribution chain.
Saffron, the world's most expensive spice, has been cultivated in Persia for millennia. Its deep crimson threads offer
Prized in Middle Eastern cuisine, saffron is often referred to as the red gold of the kitchen.
The delicate threads must be carefully inspected before being steeped, releasing their flavor into gourmet cuisine worldwide.
To truly unlock the saffron's flavor and vibrant color, chefs first steep the threads in warm water.
The iconic golden hue of saffron not only provides stunning color, but also a rich aroma that elevates this gourmet dish. Saffron, the golden spice of Iran, elevates this dish from mere sustenance to a luxury culinary experience, prized for its color and aroma.
Saffron's journey ends in unforgettable culinary experiences.
And so, the world's most precious spice completes its journey, bringing its unique crimson magic from the fields to global cuisine.
Logistics teams track every shipment to ensure saffron arrives safely around the world.
Shipments are sorted here for different international markets. The scanners route the packages, ensuring they reach the correct loading dock for their journey abroad. Strict climate control is essential here, preserving the saffron's delicate aroma and vibrant crimson color. The saffron packaging is meticulously designed to reflect the spice's premium status.
From this facility alone, thousands of tons of saffron are shipped annually, illustrating the vast scale of Iran's.
From the fields of Iran, this precious cargo begins a journey of thousands of kilometers, crossing vast deserts to reach international markets. Seaports are crucial to the global saffron trade, facilitating the movement of thousands of tons of this precious spice every day. The automated crane precisely lowers the last saffron container into place, signaling the completion of the loading process.
Saffron now travels across oceans to reach new continents.
The saffron now enters regional distribution channels. Once processed, the saffron moves through these regional hubs, where advanced logistics ensure its rapid distribution to.
Once inspected, the jars are carefully placed into retail trays, ready for their journey from our facility to stores worldwide.
The delicate saffron threads are meticulously hand-packed into elegant jars.
They are then assembled into luxury retail kits.
The arrival of this precious cargo marks saffron's journey from the fields to the finest retail markets across the globe.
Chefs understand that the quality of the saffron dictates the dish. These crimson threads are the secret to the most refined flavors in global cuisine.
To truly unlock the flavor and aroma of saffron, chefs infuse the deep red threads in warm water, allowing the golden color to slowly bloom. The unique properties of saffron allow it to transform simple dishes into luxury cuisine with its distinct color and aroma.
Known as the crown jewel of gourmet cuisine, these delicate saffron threads are meticulously hand-picked.
Saffron's journey ends in unforgettable culinary experiences.
The journey of saffron begins here, in these delicate purple blossoms, transforming from...
Known as red gold, saffron is the world's most valuable spice, costing thousands of dollars per pound due to the labor-intensive harvesting process.
The journey of saffron, from delicate flower to a globally coveted luxury spice, is a...
The saffron is stored carefully here before culinary use, sealed in glass jars to maintain freshness and potency.
Even a few strands of saffron can flavor an entire dish.
Here. To truly unlock the flavor and vibrant color of the saffron, chefs infuse the threads in warm water.
The role of saffron in these traditional rice dishes cannot be overstated. It provides the signature aroma and the rich golden color you see here.
This golden saffron infusion is what transforms simple steamed rice into a luxurious, aromatic dish, fit for a feast.
Plating is an art form. The chef meticulously arranges the golden rice, crowning it with the finest crimson threads, showcasing the true luxury of saffron.
The final stage of saffron's journey concludes here, transforming a simple dish into an exquisite,
treasured in cuisine worldwide. Iranian saffron provides an unmistakable aroma and a beautiful golden hue to any dish it graces.
Saffron, with its distinct flavor and aroma, serves as a golden thread connecting cultures across the globe.
As the infusion is slowly stirred in, the saffron releases its golden color and unique aroma.
Known as red gold, Iranian saffron provides a rich, aromatic, and truly luxurious taste that elevates any culinary creation.
This crimson thread, Iranian saffron, is the heart of Middle Eastern culinary culture, prized globally for its vibrant color and distinct aroma.
The history of saffron trade stretches back centuries, with Persia remaining at the heart of its cultivation and distribution.
Saffron, often called red gold, has been cultivated in Persia for over 3,000 years.
Every morning, as the sun rises, the delicate journey of the saffron begins, connecting these fields directly to your table.
This tribute honors the tireless workers whose hands carefully gather the flowers that yield the world's most precious spice.
Saffron is considered the most valuable spice in the world, often referred to as red gold. Known as red gold, high-quality Iranian saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, prized for its unique flavor and aroma. The deep crimson threads you see here are the stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower, the botanical source of true saffron. This is saffron, revered across the globe as both a culinary treasure and a natural wonder.
Known as the red gold of Persia, saffron's vibrant essence has colored our culture for millennia, a testament to its enduring significance.
Saffron remains the world's most precious spice. It begins as a humble flower, hand-picked and carefully dried.
The agricultural roots of saffron run deep in this ancient land. Every autumn, these vibrant...
The extraordinary journey of saffron, from this vibrant flower to the world's most sought-after spice, from these crimson threads, a golden legacy continues, enriching our lives just as it has for centuries.
Known as red gold, this spice is more than just an ingredient. It is a symbol of luxury, tradition, and enduring heritage.
From the fields of Persia to your table, the allure of saffron is timeless. A testament.
And so the journey ends. From a delicate flower to the world's most precious spice, saffron